Besides the default Edge themes that you have inside of Microsoft Edge, what you can also do is you can download and apply more Edge themes. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button over here and then go to settings over here. And over here on the left hand side, you need to go to appearance. And over here, you can see that there are different themes right here that you can apply, but there's more themes over here as well. So if I were to go around and click on discover more themes, then what happens is that you get onto the add-on page right here, just like this. And from over here, you can go around and search for themes. Like over here, you can see that this is in the themes section. And here you can see that there's a lot of themes that you can actually choose from. Like let's say, for example, there's Panda in Wonderland theme right here. So if I were to go around and click on get theme and then add the theme over here, then what happens is that that theme will be installed over here. So now what happens is that the Panda in Wonderland theme is installed. So it says install theme Panda in Wonderland, and you can see the color change over here just like this. And if I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around, you can see that that particular setting has been actually saved right here. So you can see that the color is there. So what you can also do is you can go around and discover more theme right here and install more theme as you like. Let's say, for example, there's Minecraft, Java, and Bedrock edition. So if I were to go around and add this particular theme right here, then what happens is that that particular theme is installed now. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that that is what you have. You can see that this particular theme has been installed, and there you go. So now you can also see that there's this Minecraft theme right here. You can go around back onto the theme, or then you can install it, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and install our themes and discover more themes over here inside of Microsoft Edge from the Edge Store. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.